Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So, we talked about three scenarios yesterday: a bullish scenario, a bearish one, and a scenario where the market would remain sideways and we would not be able to take a trade. Before I go through with what has happened today, I just want to point out that over the weekend, I'll be putting out a video of my long term analysis and what I feel happens during such phases during the market and what my current view is. This is just a view and this is just for educational purpose, so that traders can think in a better way and in a more informed way. Now come, let's have a look at what happened today. So today, early on in the market, there was a sharp fall in the market, right? There was a feeling कि यार मैंने कुछ मिस तो नहीं किया. Should I have shorted at this low? ऐसे लगता है कभी कभार. But what is in our hands is our trading plan. What do I mean by that? After a fall, I was waiting for a pullback, and then I was waiting for a breakdown. This is what we had discussed yesterday. Did the breakdown come? No. So, was I able to short? No. Now, on the other hand, the market started going up and started breaking out. Does that mean I just go long? Just because the market कुछ उल्टा कर रहा है तो इसलिए मैं long कर लूँ? ऐसे नहीं होता. You have to plan in advance on the possible scenarios that can happen according to your trade plan and follow them. Yesterday we discussed that unless the 61.8 or the 78.6% of this yesterday's fall, unless that was crossed and there was a consolidation and a breakout, then only I would go for a long trade. If this would have happened here, would I have taken the trade? No. Because there was already a big fall and there was already a big rally in progress. The scenario that we discussed about was there would have been a gap up and then a run and break on the upside. Then we would have gone long. So currently there was no trade. There was no setup. Now imagine if I would have gone long here, right? And people do go long. It's not a problem. Could have gotten stopped out here. If I would have shorted at this place in the morning, I could have got stopped out in the afternoon. So it's important that when you take such losses or if you trade, you have to do it according to your trading plan. So that afterwards you have no problems. You are like, हाँ मैंने plan तो follow किया ना मेरा. That's what helps the psychology and keeps you fresher for the next day. So today there was no setup, there was no trade taken. And the capital was preserved. Why? Because we had discussed of two scenarios that could have happened and the market did nothing. Market stayed in the middle, right? In this zone, it's a no trade zone. So in such situations, it helps to not just trade for the heck of it. Let's have a thought about what can happen tomorrow. Because today, now I'm going to remove all of these drawings. Today on the daily chart, it's a big doji. What does that mean? Doji means there has been significant buying from here, but there has also been some selling from here. And this is a big range doji. So what do we do tomorrow? Because it's a doji, I want some confirmation that market has to sustain above this high and it has to move up in a significant manner, then consolidate, and then we can trade the breakout, right? This has to happen for the upside. For the downside, it's a bit easier because the overall trend is down. So if the market doesn't sustain this rally, it's quite easy, because what we will do is we will take a retracement of this And if price sustains below 61.8 or 78.6, then we would actually be looking to take a short entry. Right? So both scenarios are possible. What happens if none of these scenarios happen and market just remains in this range here? Then I don't want to take a trade. I want to preserve my capital. It's not necessary that I have to trade every day. I have to trade according to the plan. What happens, what I notice with new traders is that they run behind the market. कि मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है तो ले लेते हैं, मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है तो शॉर्ट कर लेते हैं. ये ट्रेडिंग नहीं होता. एज अ प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर आई डू दिस फॉर अ लाइफ. सो यू हैव टू फॉलो प्लान्स, रूल्स. You have to be very disciplined with your approach. After that, if you make a loss, it's fine. But you have to follow the plan. Patience and discipline is extremely, extremely crucial to have a chance of succeeding in this tough profession. Thank you and bye. See you tomorrow.